Hey y'all, sorry to be missing in action for the last couple weeks. I've been sick off and on since basically New Year's Eve, so it's been a fun time at the household. But I did post the winners in a community post, but I did promise to do a video as well. So I'm going to insert the winners' names in each day and all of that here in just a minute. So I hope you all enjoyed being part of Vlogmas and Giftmas. I enjoyed being part of your community. It's our community together. So I'm really excited to have the camaraderie that we have, the chit chats and everything. I have videos coming. I filmed a couple when I felt a little bit alive last weekend, but it's taken me a little bit of time to edit them. Work's been crazy again, which is all I ever complain about, but you know, it's good to have a job, right? So I will get to posting new content here shortly, have some collaborations coming up, but the most important thing, and the thing you're here for, is to hear about the winners. So those will be coming up next. So the winner of day one Diptique candles is Camille 1542. You'll be getting the Diptique candles coming to you shortly via priority mail. I'm shipping those out on Friday here, the 12th of January. Priority mail. We are going to be under a winter storm watch those, so there might be a little bit of a delay, but you'll have your tracking number out to you shortly. So congratulations. Thanks for entering day one. Day two is going to Mall Doll 0314, and I actually know Mall Doll, so I'm really excited to see some folks that I know in person. I met her at a meetup for Caleb Snell in October, so congratulations, Mall Doll. I'm glad to see that somebody I know won. I swear it wasn't fixed. This is a random generated drawing through Rafflecopter. They're really great about going in and just picking random folks. So congratulations. You'll have the Dior Skincare and the little bonus coming out to you. Again, priority mail here shortly. Day three, Hermes Coffret of fragrances. And oh my gosh, what a coinkydink. Caleb Snell won that one, and I think that's the only giveaway he entered, and he won that one. So lucky Caleb. He's doing great at his channel. I love being a part of his community and a member of his channel. If you don't know Caleb, which I'm surprised if you don't, because he's fabulous, please check him out. I'll have his channel linked down below. All right, day four, Dior Addict is, oh yeah, and I forgot, this day four and day five, the Marc Jacobs gift set were both randomly selected for creator AKB Bags, Andrea. Way lucky. It happens on occasion. I gave away last year to a couple of folks as well. So it's luck of the draw. So whatever Rafflecopter selects, you win, and you get day four Dior Addicts gift set, and day five the Marc Jacobs little wristlet and Coffret of fragrances. So I'll get those out to you shortly. I'll also link your channel down below. And finally, the big winner, and Rose here, Rose Jones 1557. Rose won something from me last year. I remember her name. So thank you for being a part of Vlogmas and Giftmas again this year. I'm glad to see you again. So I'm glad that you entered. You won the big enchilada, as I like to call it. All the gifts, the Longchamp bag, the Gucci-esque mug, the Clinique stuff. I mean, all sorts of stuff in that grand prize. So I'm hopefully going to be able to fit it all in one box. If I can't, it might be coming to you in two, but I will get you all of that here shortly. But you get the final gift day set. So congratulations. Thank you for being a part of Vlogmas and Giftmas. And again, I appreciate everybody that joined us. Vanna, the pugs, we all say thank you, and happy to see you all, and we will be back shortly to regularly schedule content. And I'm thinking I might be doing maybe a Christmas in July giveaway, so kind of tying it all together. So you'll probably see another giveaway pop up here in a couple of months, and we'll go from there. So if you liked being part of Vlogmas, Giftmas, thumbs up, like the video, all that lovely YouTubey stuff. We love you to have. Look at these nails. Oh my God. I'm embarrassed. So much luxe here. But I will see you shortly. Thank you so much for being a part of our lives. Take care. Bye.